Hello to all my friends out there. So now I want to finish up my yogurt making. It was really easy, and then I will make a little meal. Okay. Let's oh. Okay, I boiled a big pan of water and I put it in the oven. And that's warming the oven. Okay, and I think the cheapest place I've ever seen yogurt is Aldi's. I bought one vanilla yogurt. And so when I started the yogurt making, I set it out because I need my yogurt to be room temperature. So this is really cheap because the yogurt was only 39 cents. And then I used 24 ounces of shelf-stable milk. I could have used the whole 32 ounces if I wanted to. But since it's so easy to make, what I usually do is I take a bath, while the milk is cooling. So, okay, so I just want to make sure no lumps. Okay, now all this is 24 ounces of milk, and I have cooled that to room temperature, to warm, like a warm bath. So I'm going to strain my yogurt a little bit so this doesn't get into my yogurt. So I just heated my milk to a boil, and then I let it cool to room temperature, the milk. I let it cool to warm, and then I added it to room temperature yogurt. And now you just get any kind of little pan of any sort you have. You want to make sure it's mixed up good. So the next time you could use your yogurt, you wouldn't have to buy a yogurt. So if you use this shelf-stable milk, then your 24 ounces of yogurt would only cost 75 cents. If you use the whole thing, it could be 32 ounces of yogurt for $1.39 if you go to Aldi's. Okay, so then you just pour this into the pan here. And you cover it with some foil. And you slip it in the oven. And then tomorrow morning you'll have yogurt. That's how easy it is. Okay, now I want to make myself a little meal. I'm not too hungry because that was a pretty big lunch I had. So I like soup bowls, bread bowls. So what I have is some hamburger buns. So let's see. What I'm doing is I'm eating all the food out of my freezer so that I can buy flat meat and flat cheese. So I think about these at Walmart or one of the supermarkets for about $1, if that. And so now I want to eat them up so that I can buy some flat meat and cheese. I want to pack my freezer full of so I want to save this middle part of my bun because I'll eat that on my soup. These were frozen. Normally, if you've seen my videos, I toast my bread, but so these are going to be some little soup bowls for my soup. But you don't have to toast them. You don't have to. You can these are going to be very yummy anyway. Okay, so today what I was shopping around for was for my stockpile. I was shopping for like meals in a can, like the raviolis I bought, and I was shopping for soup. Because if you have soup and you have 2 cans of, so this could be either of these 2 soups, but what I'm using is I'm using bean and bacon soup, and for this little meal I just used half a can. So it could be any of these soups. The cheapest place is Aldi's, you guys. Oh, I'm so mad. Where's my candle? I keep forgetting. I don't know. It's not something you can lose. It's very large. You know, I like to light them in case any of my followers need prayers, because someone prayed for me when I was trying to give up my Diet Coke and really save me. That was no joke, and a lot of people are in harm's way in the floods, maybe in the Mideast, who knows? Our sons and daughters could be over there already. Okay, so we have I would suggest praying for our military. Okay, so now I want to put my little bread bowls in my soup bowl. Okay, so now I just want to put my soup in my little bowls. These are going to be good. And these are cheap too. Every meal doesn't... Okay, this soup was about, for the whole half can would be about 40 cents. And my hamburger buns were about, so this is cheap, maybe about 10 cents. And then I'm substituting a little cheese for meat. I think I got this cheese at Aldi's. This is good cheese. So if you're going to substitute a little cheese for meat, you can use a little bit better quality cheese. And then, you know, you have your yogurt. Yummy. This is going to be good little soup bowls, little bread bowls. And then after I eat my bread bowls, I'll just eat the rest of my soup with my crumbs. No wasting. That's not good to be wasteful. One of the followers made a really good comment, and what he said is he made a point not to waste any of his food, that he carefully froze all the food, and he was able to make it through the month without running out of food. And that is a really good, and here's my smoothie I made in the last video. And then, you know, no wasting, because, ow, that was my frozen bread that just fell on my foot. I got these marked down. These are good. I'm going to eat them. I have actually have two of them in there. My freezer is still jam-packed, but, you know, you would be surprised when you don't buy food and you're eating your food down, it goes pretty fast. And, you know, I made my own ice cubes. No buying ice. That's not thrifty. All right, now let me taste this. All right, take a look at my tasty... Ooh, it's really late. These are my tasty little... Ooh. My tasty little bread bowls. You gotta make these. It's really tasty. It's kind of like gravy. And you know, I still have a lot of tea. I was rather busy today, actually. So now you make your own yogurt for 75 cents for 24 ounces. You eat up all your food in your freezer and you make yourself some little bread bowls with any kind of soup. You make a frozen, these are good. You know what's good about these? When these are half frozen like this one is, that's when they're good, you guys. Okay, you guys. Try this and God bless you all.